If you would love to sing in harmonies, but you don't have any idea of how to get started, this video is for you because I'm going to teach you how to get started from absolute scratch. My name is Jorgelina. I am a vocal coach, singer, and songwriter, and I specialize in teaching adults how to sing contemporary music from a holistic and integral approach. Now make sure that you stick until the end because I am going to show you an exercise that you can practice every day to get better and better at singing harmonies. Now for this video, of course, I'm going to assume that one, you can sing in tune, and if you don't know or if you can't sing in tune and you know it, then go ahead and take a look at another video that I released recently, and then when you can identify pitch easily, then come back to this video. Alright, so first thing I want to show you is, this is very important, and is the skill of understanding what note are you singing from a chord. So when we talk about chords, in case that you don't know it, we are talking about notes that are played simultaneously. Alright, so for example, this is the C major chord. So I'm playing 3 different notes at the same time. I need to be able to play the chord, and you go ooh. Now I'm using an ooh because it's gentle on my voice, but you could also sing do mi so, or you can sing 1 3 5. Something I'm going to recommend is to spell the chord with numbers. So what do I mean by this? Let's say that I am in the C chord. I'm not sure if you know much about music, but I'm just gonna assume that you don't. So let's say that I'm playing the C major chord. In a major triad like this, what I have is first note, and it's third, and then it's fifth. So in this case, if I start in do, I have do, the next note is mi, that's the third. When I say the third, I mean an interval of a third, and then a third above that we have a fifth. So what I would recommend you to do is to be able to sing 1 3 5 like this. 1 3 5 3 1. This is really useful because when you sing harmonies, you have to get really good at starting in the right note. So let's just try that. I'm going to play different chords and you spell them with 1 3 5. I'll do the first one and then you do the rest with me as well. 1 3 5 3 1. That might be really easy for you, or it might be really hard, in which case just stop the video here, come back and practice it more times. You can come back to it tomorrow if it is too much. One of the easier ways to start singing different harmonies is to start with a type of harmony that we call the parallel third, which means let's say that we are singing in 2 voices. The 2 voices move like this, so they move in the same motion, but a third above each other. If you don't know what I mean by that, I'm going to leave a link in the description below in which I explain about the major scale. So go ahead and take a look at that. Let's start with a short melody. So let's say that voice 1 goes like this. What you're gonna do if you want to sing a third above that, you're going to play the same melody using the notes of the scale, the same notes of the same scale, but you're gonna do it starting a third above. So instead of, you're going to sing. So if I play both of them together, it will sound like this. Now this is a really good skill to get started. You're gonna find that in a lot of songs, and once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to do it and play around different songs at any time. It's also a resource that actually makes the songs sound really good. So even if it is simple and used a lot, it's still a favorite. Now go ahead and practice that, and once you got the hang of it, one song that I would recommend you to start with is the song Falling Slowly from the movie Once. There is a fun exchange of voices in the chorus, but don't worry too much about that. I think you can find videos of those voices sung separately, and that's a really good song to start with because it's slow enough and it's very organized. The steps are small, and so if you want to train your capacity to sing a parallel third, which is a great starting point to sing in harmonies, that is a song that I would recommend. Now, as I said before, I actually have a resource prepared for you. If you go to the description below now, you are going to be able to download a little exercise that I prepared for you that contains very easy and slow harmonies that you can learn, and you can use them to practice a third above. It is an easy exercise to train your parallel third harmonies, so go ahead, download it and practice it every day, and I promise in no time you are going to be very annoying trying to get the parallel third song of any song you hear. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. I have a lot of content like this, and I'll see you next video.